Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to create a MySQL database for your server on WitherHosting. First of all, go to witherpanel.com and then click Manage Server on the server you want to create the database for. Then go to the Databases tab and click New Database. The plugin that I want to use this database for is called Plan. It's a player analytics plugin. So I'm just going to call this database PlanDB. And where connections should be allowed from, this could be an IP address or a range of IP addresses. I'm just going to leave it blank to allow connections from anywhere. Then click Create Database. Once the database has been created, you can see you get presented with a username and an endpoint. For the password, you click on this button that says Database Details, and it will show you the password. To configure a plugin to use this database, first of all, go to your File Manager, go to your Plugins folder, and then find the plugin you want to use the database with. In my case, like I said, it's Plan. For Plan specifically, the database config is in config.yml, so just click onto that and scroll down to the database section. Different plugins have their database settings in different locations. You should probably check the plugins page or wiki to see where the database configuration options are. In this case, supported databases is SQL or MySQL, so we are now using a MySQL database, so I'm going to change the type to MySQL. For host, you want to click on the endpoint IP address, and it will copy it to your clipboard and paste it in there. You can see that the endpoint we copied specifies the port after the colon, but the config file for Plan has a dedicated port option, so I'm going to remove the port and the colon. The port stays as 3306 in this case, and then database details, I'm going to copy the username, paste it in the user section. I'm going to copy the password and paste it in the password section. Then I'm going to copy the database name, which is in this first column here, and put that under database. Then click Save Content and restart the server to apply the changes. The plugin reports that the MySQL database connection has been established successfully, which means the plugin is being configured correctly to use your database. To view the data in your database, click back onto the Databases tab, and then click on this blue database icon on the right. This will take you to PHPMyAdmin, which is a way of viewing a database in a web browser. You can see the database over on the left, and if you expand it with this little plus button, you'll see all the tables that have been created within the database by the plugin. As I have just configured this, there is no data in any of the tables. However, once the plugin populates this with data, you can see all the data in the databases via this website. You can also run SQL commands in the console down here. That is all for databases. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using WitherHosting.